Today, who is 6 years old today?
Happy birthday. No. Why does it keep saying happy?
Because there's how many happies are there?
6 happies. Happy. Birthday to Rachel. Happy
Hip.
Rachel.
Hooray!
Hip hooray!
Right.
Good
Okay,
reading.
Now wait a second. Good reading. Now wait a second. Now we got to open the card. We're going to make you work for this present.
If I can be very, very careful, I can save the card.
Is there a Care Bear on that card?
Yeah.
How did Grandma know?
I didn't. Okay.
And find it. Mommy, don't look at this.
Okay,
Don't look.
I'm not looking.
What does it
What? More Care Bears.
say? What does it say?
Wow.
Okay,
You gotta read it. You gotta read the front.
It says, what does it say?
Rachel Sophia.
No. He knows. Rachel what? Sophia. Rachel Sophia. Birthdays are. Okay, here.
Down on the table.